getting bass boost technology, ANC, clean music with the ANC on and off, and this quality of a build and design, this commuter style, responsible styling and quality. Look at these freaking ear cups, dude. I can't even say enough about these ear cups. The comfort, the battery life, impressive. If you're thinking about getting these, I say just get them. Stinking impressive, Soundcore. Wow. They make good stuff, man. They just make good stuff.
I would recommend these any day of the week. I very much enjoyed them, and for what you're paying for them, you're getting a really solid set of headphones. It's not only a good listening experience, has noise cancellation, 30 to 40 hours of listening time, but they're super, super comfortable and lightweight, which is really important to me because I can't wear things that are really heavy on my head for a long time. So these are nice and they're a good, comfortable fit.